Yeah, it could have been 3, but I think we showed a great character, great spirit. I think we left everything out on the pitch. We didn't leave a blade of grass unturned, and I think it was a great team performance. And lucky, not to get something out of the game. But against a very good team, a point is very good.
Did you think your shot near the end was going in?
Yeah, it was going in, and what a great save from a good keeper. And just a bit disappointing not to get 3 points, but I think such a good team, obviously a favourite for the game and favourite to qualify, and to get a point off them is very good.
Yeah, it's easy to forget they're top seeds in the group. Did you show that you can stay with the best in this group now?
Yeah, definitely. I think we showed the character, the team spirit that we've been showing over the last 6 months now, and we feel like we've turned the corner. I think the fans were absolutely amazing tonight. It was great to have a full house almost, and hopefully we done them proud.
What did it mean to you to see 30,000 when you walked out? Yeah,
it was a special feeling. I think probably on another night, the last 10 minutes is a lot more difficult without a full house, and they definitely were unbelievable tonight. True Welsh fans, and I think they pushed us over the line and kept us going for the last 10-15 minutes.
You're top of the group, 3 points ahead of Bosnia, but Cyprus on Monday. Do you need a win in that game after this?
Yeah, definitely. We want to win every game. We know that. We wanted a win tonight, but I think a draw is still a very good result. It's against obviously the top seeds of the group, and we go into Cyprus now full of confidence, but knowing that we need to focus, we need to concentrate, and we need to get the 3 points.
And it seems that everybody could take points off each other in this group, with Israel beating Cyprus today.
Yeah, definitely. It's not an easy group by any stretch of the imagination, but every game that we go into, we want to win, no matter who it's against. And a great result tonight, a draw, but move on to the next, and hopefully now we can get another big crowd here on Monday and do them proud and get 3 points.
I was going to say, you want that crowd back now, don't you?
Yeah, I think we showed the passion, the spirit, the fighting spirit on the pitch. I think they appreciated we left everything on the pitch tonight. We didn't, as I said, we didn't leave a blade of grass unturned, and hopefully they come back Monday to support us, and we can give them 3 points.
All the best, Gareth.
Thank you.